I will explain how to install FFmpeg in Cubase. Cubase, Mac version, iOS version, Android version, you can output the video as it is, but Windows version, Linux version, FFmpeg is required for video output. To install FFmpeg in the Linux version, open the terminal and install with command.
Enter sudo apt-get update. Update apt-get. Enter sudo apt-get install FFmpeg. Install FFmpeg. Now you can output MP4 video.
Next, I will explain how to install on Windows.
Open the FFmpeg site. Click download button. Click the Windows button. Click BTBN below. It's easier to download from here. For Windows 64-bit, click to download Win64 GPL shared zip.
Right-click the downloaded file. Click Extract All. Double-click the extracted file to open it. In the bin folder, FFmpeg is included.
To set the FFmpeg to Cubase, click Movie Export from the File menu. Set FFmpeg is displayed. Click OK. Click the triangle button. Select the folder where you downloaded FFmpeg. Select the bin folder from the folder where you unzipped FFmpeg. Choose FFmpeg. Click the Open button. FFmpeg is now set up.
After that, enter the export video file name. The video setting screen will be displayed. Set width, height and frame rate. Height to 720 or 1080. The frame rate should be set to 30. Export time length is set automatically. Press the start button. Wait patiently until the movie is output.